And welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to walk you through how to sign out securely from Proton Mail. Now, first of all, what is sign out securely? You see, when you sign out securely, it means you ensure that no one with physical access to your device can open your browser or app and instantly access your mailbox. It involves fully terminating your section on that device. You see, Proton's mail architecture remains built on security. Your data is encrypted on their servers, and the encryption keys are stored locally in your browser or app section. Signing out destroys these local keys, which is what makes it secure. So let's start with the first method of signing out on the web, which is what we're going to concentrate on first of all before we go to the app in our next video. So let's see how to sign out on the web. So you have to first log in. This is the web. You have to log in. Go to proton.me or just type in Proton Mail, sign in, and you see the option will pop up, and then you click on it and it will take you to this page. So once you're here, want to sign out, next thing you're going to do is click on the three lines at the top left and then tap on the name at the top, and then you can see the option for sign out right here. Tap on sign out. You can see recovery information will remain on this device unless you select to delete it. So you can delete the recovery related information by tapping this, and then you tap on sign out. Now, once you've done that, that means you have you successfully signed out. Proton Mail will redirect you to the login page for maximum security. You should also close all your browser tabs for Proton Mail. Now, if you check stay logged in during login, signing out this way still completely invalidates that section. Hope you found this video helpful.